like uthi mina nami kuthiwa wena why ungataki wena ungataki uandukabula kana lo lisana ba hack ukuthi uvi ungazibulali imagine emncwabeni ungazibulali icherry
uzofuna ku YouTube yawo kubo
okay that voice
so it's like amnandi yakufila ngoku and umhle kum doesn't matter how big or small you are it's like chawunye ka I will the shit out of you
zawutya unye ka yo guys process
jubile yabo uyaphola yo
nazo ngana
this what you wanted
yeah
you might like it
I'm cool next time I'm feeling fine
sharp siyafika
kandi manje le
umuntu kanewo mara yazi uyafika
ubalo
hayi umuntu kanewo
kubile yawo
hello Lawrence
sanibona njani
siyazina
nasi
hayi bengithi ngibulise njengoba phela kudala ngicisa
space photo
ngagcina sivume nabo newo la onewo asasebenza la
neyo yes
manje kudala ngagcina bengithi kubulisa
ngiyabonga mfethu mina sengididekile ngikhohliwe nje tu angithi naye
akasekho la ya sesithi manje
right kodwa uyasho nje naye nje kodwa kusebenza ku right kodwa lonke likambani
cover fresh malo
abangani bami la Kaibo Sims
Lawrence ngoba semsweni unazo face
hayi number 1
qala sisibe sasishayisa ithoba lapha eSoweto hayi asithembe ukuthi nje kanti anisayi lapha phezulu
sisegrand mna negazi la
shaye izoli so izoli ngoku ngicingisa
sikhona intambo ezifasayo lapha phezulu ukuthi nje mhlawumbe
ndiyayidenga lo weba lo but ke not now
nje
but isawubuya otherwise
okay
wasawubuya
inkinga ngobuza nje kodwa sisi
hayi bengilinde wena ukuthi mhlawumbe uzongisponsora nje
wow nje sengibuza ke ubuzani ke nje kodwa nje
questions when answer
okay
answer kaswitsala
bengishaya ama-tots
bengiyithekile
ithekile ya
yabo futhi zonke
and then okunye i-brutal fruit kahle ngiphuzayo but yeah
awuthi ngibona ukuthi ngingaza manje kodwa nje ngiyabonga
ngiphoza la ayibona ifeeling yaseJoburg sibamba kaso dangovutha Lawrence
I've made so many friendships and trusts with a lot of people who have influenced like Lawrence manager but now when it comes to me and was how
no when I feel like you've taken a mother role in all your social circles.
Oh yeah.
So ufuna police
mna nami ngathi ayivi inqondo yami
I'm trying to
so you're trying to make us polar and it's our responsibility to make you polar as a creative control.
What
the fuck bra
tingalo hengo it's all bra
ngididile mode uke washo umngane wami what is you are so
No, I know,
fun.
because I've been there. I know.
Kodwa you are always guarding us.
Ufike unechomenzi okwadi ufuneka ube nguwe ba are you guys fine?
Yeah.
Yeah, because sometimes no
Yeah.
way bayipaloni nawe.
Kazi ndibe baloni.
Now just lose a phone sometimes.
Let's man on shit.
Die hard.
Die hard.
That's what we do. Die hard.
Don't worry, die hard.
Kalungu yelo uthi.
Die hard. Ah, it's so.
Ndidi also kabizo die hard. Die hard.
Lelo nisithi kamali lishushu. Lama kamali hapa shushu.
Shushu yo mchaka. Batakoya kuwe.
Otherwise guys,
So once you must just be a child now. Just say fuck it. If the night is ruined, it's ruined. Fuck
I
it.
want to.
So but you'll see how much fun you'll have when you just say fuck it.
sisingahleke ngapha ebomini bami. Ngenze Pretoria ngoku.
Man, it's your wild. Kuphakuza comments. Man, it's your wild. So lumchita kayana kuyaphi. Kamalo mna yakuye but ePretoria.
Bhalele lo.
Besithetha. Ku live ka V.
Mizuzu.
Oh, kathi ngeni kaloku uviwe waqala live. Abantwana bomamgcikha bebekhalaza ba. Guys, andizongena live because of don't. That's is blocked. So la mina ngena live. Nenza invite wonke umuntu nomula bekuno anda pha bekugcwele. Ngibona la nto.
So kuthethwa ngami ngoku apha endlini.
Ishushu yayazi nje. Thethwa namuntu. Why wena ungakudake?
Taka ke nawe.
This is Shumane, guys.
Because this one. Wena siswami ngibani wena? Emihle. Kasiphathe brave, kasiphathe kamandi jo. Kasiphathe kamandi.
Can try.
You can try. Also try it, Joe. Do it, Joe.
Can you in class? Yeah. Kalunga left.
Okay. What's this one now?
Ihleke leyo ibasa umoma.
Alcohol wala no? Tienes eso? Right.
Uyaglow.
Uneshore. Okay.
Uyaglow.
Like uthi mina nami kuthiwa wena why ungataki?
Uandukabula lo listen to my head. Ukuthi uvi ungazibulali imagine emncwabeni ungazibulali cherry. Ngikuthe kodwa singaskima kumncwabo kaSimsa. Hamba lo hey don't ngolo ngami ngobaba. Diphume kuqala hamba kula live kashiyeka abantu for nini bepha because bibi day before birthday ka man yayibona.
Okay.
So kunayibe manje ngena live so manje ngiyobukela lapha kule yakhe live manje ni like apha ya. Manje sister bakhe besithi nangu Sims. Sims uthi hello. Sims. Celebrate. Umahamba by celebrate. And nimtheka 1000 likes.
Yule kaka.
Kaloku ndifike kunoma sure noma kukho no 200 pa nathi ku 1000 likes. Mina ndayeka fans naphinda boye nathi molweni. Bathana nguSims ebolisa.
Sims.
Fane singene ku TikTok line.
Lewe ibhalwe ka. Can style.
Besithi legendary lo. The cap.
Legendary. Melisa ngalo we. Da. Dekho ngeda.
Legend. It is. It suits you better. Like you always have it when you have your shoots. Like
So it's a master shine, right?
yeah.
Dekho man. Poza la. Izolo ngayibaba.
Izolo. Akekho umuntu la. Bekuthethwa nguwe, bana mthi die hard.
Afo shulu komba kunani nani yama ngitheka.
Ngu die hard. Azofuma ku YouTube yawo. Kubo.
Okay, that voice.
Which I know voice.
Siyabona bama njalo.
Thank you so much.
Malini malo?
Ayashiyana
Ngathi chutai.
from chocolate. From Choko uyaphezulu.
Nansi ngithetha. Guys, abamize choco zethu.
Yeah. Skisi possible.
Eze choco zethu. Kanye bambe 50 man sinjani.
Khona 50.
50. Lifake fumane.
Chat eziyi-2 yabo.
2 shop. Ne 5 euro.
Awufuni uzolwa. Listen now. Number 1.
Ngicenge no. Ngithengela beer izolo. Yaphakla black. Imbi la kaka. Imbi nya.
Like why, bruh? Like indala la big.
Ane mani ngathi expiry shile.
It's a hill, bro.
Like sense la
Imbi.
Ndikona mana yenzi like ndiphole nje they taster imbi that's all
To the best.
Khona lo.
To the beast.
to them yes bra
Like serious, bruh. Like la beer ngathi like biyenzwa ngumuntu ongenamdla.
like be batch yokugqibela
Hayi ugqibela ishushu.
le kaloku egqibela imbi because ikhola ncindi abezantsi imbi
Imbi ngani lo?
lo bengascream
Tough. Ulo scream lo. Ulo stusa sonke.
Kanti besamazwa.
big guys save lives big guys save lives Segisi. Oh, Grant, are you relaxed now? You don't say, I feel like you're still usazwami. Ucabanga? Ngandoni?
Nothing at all. I just feel like I'm just happy.
Yeah, you must Paul. You must learn to Paul Mashaba.
I don't like the fact that you guys are going today.
Look, we could come back. Because even our trip to Cape Town was sponsored, so now you could sponsor our trip to Joburg. Otherwise, you know, especially here too, we follow the man. This is the content creators. We don't like to be tied down. We go on. So if we're in Amshambo's and attend, okay, guys, there's this thing happening, there's this thing happening, and we could make money in this way and this way, then till now we are back. Telling you 2 months ago, it's been again. And about this time, I saw a mid-range.
Of course.
Yeah, so bang happy with the
No more mid-range for you guys.
Yeah, born in London.
Yeah.
Kayoko.
You think? Which one is your type? Because there's the biggest. Which one is it?
That's one of the thing with me. I don't discriminate when it comes to size specifically.
No, I mean your type. It's not discriminating. It's choosing.
No. I'm going there, Galukba. I'm not choosing. Like I could show you a list of my exes,
Okay.
and you'll see people 2 times bigger than you, and people 2 times smaller than you also. So it's like I'm not feeling ngoku, and umhle doesn't matter how big or small you are. It's like I will fuck the shit out of you.
Yo, guys, toss us.
Jubile. Girl, gonna fuck la mfana wenza ikuku yami yashushu. And the friction.
You know what? The language. Kids could be watching this right now, okay?
Nah, there's always an age restriction on our videos. And I always tag it, not for kids. If your kids are watching Stoner Chats, guys, you have failed as a parent. It's not my fault.
Okay, with this particular episode, we are not all stoned.
No,
So it could be.
relax. People know this. We have had celebrities on here that which have not been stoned.
Okay.
Yeah, we've had influencers, we've had stand-up comedians, we've had someone who's like an actual celebrity from TV. But then she was no, I haven't forgotten her. No, she's my friend. We used to work together before she was famous. Love you, but tech. She's my friend, yeah. Yeah, well, so you know, she got too polar. Because you know, this is us, we make you relax.
Yeah.
And then she was too relaxed. And then she was saying too many things, too many behind the scenes things about other famous people. And then you're like, hey, Mchanam, can you see episode?
Yeah.
So now I couldn't release that episode.
Okay.
Yeah.
I get it.
Yeah, those things happen. Or you say someone's name by mistake, then you say something like illegal about them. From Ekasi.
Yeah.
So you know Uncle Ban. Yeah, we know how they got those clothes.
Yeah.
We know Malumu Ban, how he got his car. Yeah, we know Malumu. We have these uncles, guys, these aunts with these domestic aunts who just come back and share the TV and you're like,
Yeah.
very lovely TV. Going to the storeroom some loom. Yeah, well. So then I know, okay, let me bleep this name because I'm the one who's editing. Okay, let me bleep the name and maybe keep the story, or let me remove the story full if it implicates you now. But Nama was there when we were doing this. Now I was like, now it's all bunch. That's why I'm saying relax. Say everything and anything. Yeah, well.
You know?
Yeah.
When are you guys coming back?
I told you it depends. If you come back in 2 months, if you're like, okay, there's something happening on this day, okay, could you guys pull through and then maybe sell t-shirts or maybe do like podcasts here, then say, yeah.
Because I was thinking, you remember I told you that I want to have a story for losing weight.
Yeah.
You know, it's important to me. And I'll tell you why. It's because of health issues that I have right now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So what do you need here?
You played 10 minutes, what happened? Did I press something?
You pressed something.
So is it gone?
Oh, no. It's
Oh, okay, sure, yeah.
Yeah. So meanwhile, I take videos of myself losing weight.
Yeah, and I'm saying you will
I'll
maybe
send them to you.
two times a week. You know, okay, Monday, you take maybe like a slight video about, okay, guys, I weigh. You even weigh yourself. And then Friday, you weigh yourself again. And then next Monday, you weigh yourself. And then next Friday, you weigh yourself. And then you just do those things while you're planning about, okay, how am I actually going to do this? You know, but when you have that plan, you already have the footage. And that's why I'm saying start now. Even if you don't have a clear idea, start now. When the idea is becoming clear, at least you're going to know about the footage. The support from here and here and here. And I have them on the. But if you wait until you have everything ready, you will never ever do it ever. This is how we used to shoot. And then we went to like a studio. And then I want to in a shack shooting with the phone in a camcorder. And then I'm like, okay, let me save money and buy a camera. Let me save money and buy mics. Let me like, but while I'm saving that money, we are not stopping the show. We're still doing the show. And then people can see themselves because they were saying, even as a comments on the studio, like guys.
Yeah.
Like I like how you guys have grown because they've been with the journey with us.
And yeah, like and the other one is but I feel like
Sure.
when it's pushing at it like it hustle to like indlela esipusha ngayo like it's not like yinto thina like isincediswa ngabantu like kustruggle song sethu thina sisamileyo bra like sihamba sodwa usiza kwethu Joburg size nge-1.5 ye-rent
Nothing, no food, nothing else. There's like 4 bags, no mattress, and our name. 4 bags and a mattress.
Guys, I'm so proud of you guys.
And we're like, because we don't want to
really,
wait.
I'm so proud of you.
We don't want to wait for next
You guys
year.
inspire me.
Yeah, we must do it now.
good.
Can't do this, that. Must do it now.
what's with this card Joe?
Okay, restart.
Yeah, I love that.
Isikhathi ngoku sisekhona Joe.
Yeah, well, you're still young. You can hear.
While I'm still young.
Because
Uzofuna ukwazi izinto ubudala
ulinde stability. Don't stability on energy because you're old. Do? Yeah, now I'm like, I have the money, but now I don't want to do my business. Because now I'm like, what's the point? I'm old. And when you're young, that's what I'm saying. But yeah,
I died. And I'm trained in first aid. Someone coughs, I'm supposed to go.
Heimlich.
bra kodwa idodo bedibosiwe xa ukhutshwa baba imbomlo uginya amathe wakho awuyaspana bra uyalo no xa ukhutshwa une-hiccups like uvala imbomlo and uswallow ushamati and then until you feel ebani kwazi uginya anymore.
Okay, like this.
Yeah, and then uginya manje bra yaspana la way.
Really?
Serious dog.
I need to try it. Once I have a hiccup, I hold myself here.
Whiting
And
Hey, no.
swallow my saliva.
Uyaphola ke wena.
Nazi
Uyaphola, this is what you wanted.
Yeah. And it should be like this. Okubomba bakho bonke yazi girl. Ungadepend nasebantwini bomakubenze ba. Mabuya here. Yeah, bro. Just do you. Now ungabuza nakulomshita mina i-friends zami zi-random to the fullest. So zicinga
Atsho mina namaphara.
kuye but mna xa ndifika ndihlala nawe like i-vibe yakho if iyandichaza mna ustage
Uzobelwa uyifoni nempahla.
every time uringa lo way but wena I don't give a fuck.
I think you guys will love General. He is a vibe.
Ikanda wena otherwise wena wasicela ngo-general sifila wena girl.
Okay. I get you guys.
Exactly. Cela ngo-general. Yo bra go die hard. Go general. Bra ishushu.
Lorenzo
Lawrence number 5.
Company 1 bazimanager bonke.
What the fuck? Bonke bazimanage Lawrence. Lawrence 5.
Like kuko mamela apha ihlulekile le ndawo yabo. Kukho i-pub. And then from a pub kubekho like lento
Le ndawo yokwat bike idibene nalena mos ne. Is the same
mnam
Where?
Uthibe
Khona
le ndawo
bengicimi pay.
but isiphethwe ngumuntu oyi-1.
No.
Exactly. Le nto ndiyithethayo kaloku. Usikhumbuzo kulomshita bene-specs.
Ewe. Naye ndiyamazi manager yantoni i-bikes.
Yayiva lo way.
So man,
Angakhala nokhala.
ndibonile.
Nice. Ibanda boyiku kufa bra.
Elafa.
It's nothing good.
Lomshita behamba nalamnana. Streamer yenye i-share yakhe.